High blood pressure, also known as hypertension, is one of the most common medical conditions today. And the scary part? If it's not treated properly and on time, it can lead to serious complications like heart attacks, strokes, and even kidney damage. That's why managing it is so important. Now, doctors often prescribe medications to help control blood pressure, and in many cases, they're absolutely necessary. But alongside those medications, there are also natural approaches that can support better blood pressure health. And recently, one natural remedy has been getting a lot of attention: apple cider vinegar. Some people say apple cider vinegar can help with weight loss, lower cholesterol, and even reduce high blood pressure. But how true are those claims? Well, that's exactly what we're going to explore in today's video. First, we'll take a closer look at what apple cider vinegar actually is. Then we'll go through some of its science-backed benefits. And finally, we'll see whether it really has the potential to help lower your blood pressure. So, what exactly is apple cider vinegar? Well, it's made from fermented apple juice. First, the apples are crushed, the juice is turned into alcohol, and then it's fermented again into acetic acid. That's what gives it that strong, sour kick. You'll find it in cooking, salad dressings, and even in a lot of home remedies. But what can it actually do for your health? Let's break down a few key benefits. Starting with number 1, it helps lower cholesterol. High cholesterol and high blood pressure frequently occur together, significantly increasing the risk of heart disease. Conditions like type 2 diabetes and obesity are major risk factors for high cholesterol. And according to the American Heart Association, they can speed up damage to your blood vessels and heart. Some studies suggest that apple cider vinegar, also known as ACV, might help lower cholesterol and blood pressure, especially in people with type 2 diabetes. A research review from 2021 found that individuals with type 2 diabetes who took 15 milliliters or less of ACV daily for over 8 weeks saw a drop in total cholesterol. Then in 2023, another study reported similar findings. This time, participants consumed 30 milliliters of ACV each day, paired with a heart-healthy diet, and their cholesterol levels improved. So while early research is promising, especially for those with type 2 diabetes, more studies are needed to know if these results apply to everyone. Let's move on to benefit number 2. It may help with weight loss. High blood pressure and obesity are strongly connected. In fact, the American Heart Association points out that carrying extra weight can seriously raise your risk of heart disease. Some people turn to apple cider vinegar to help manage their weight, and a few small studies over the years suggest it might be helpful, especially when combined with a low-calorie diet. One clinical study from 2018 followed participants for 12 weeks. Everyone in the study followed a low-calorie diet, but one group added about 30 milliliters of apple cider vinegar each day. That's roughly 2 tablespoons. After 12 weeks, the group that added apple cider vinegar to their routine ended up losing more weight. They also had less belly fat and a lower body mass index compared to the ones who just followed the diet alone. But here's the thing. This study only included 39 people and lasted just 3 months. That means we can't really tell if apple cider vinegar was the main reason for the changes. We'd need more solid research over a longer period to really be sure. Let's move on to benefit number 3. It may help lower blood sugar. Keeping your blood sugar in check might also help lower your blood pressure. If you have type 2 diabetes, your doctor might prescribe medication to help manage your glucose levels. But even if you don't have diabetes, keeping your blood sugar steady is great for your overall health, and it could even play a role in bringing your blood pressure down. Now here's where it gets interesting. There's some growing research suggesting that vinegar, especially apple cider vinegar, could help with blood sugar control. A meta-analysis combined 6 clinical trials with a total of 317 diabetes patients. In each of those studies, participants were asked to consume some form of vinegar. And guess what? Every trial showed significant drops in fasting blood sugar and A1C levels, which means the acetic acid in vinegar might be part of what's making the difference. So, can apple cider vinegar actually help lower blood pressure? Well, as far as we know, no human study has proven that ACV directly reduces blood pressure. But there was an interesting study back in 2001 done in Japan using hypertensive rats. Researchers gave some of the rats vinegar, or pure acetic acid, and found that it significantly lowered both their blood pressure and renin activity. Renin is a hormone that plays a key role in raising blood pressure through the angiotensin system. So the results suggest that in rats, the acetic acid in vinegar may help reduce renin, and in turn, lower blood pressure. However, those results haven't been confirmed in humans. But here's the thing. Apple cider vinegar might help in a more indirect way. For example, it's been shown to help lower cholesterol and support weight loss. And both of those can make a big difference in managing blood pressure. And when your cholesterol gets too high, it can build up in your arteries, slow down your blood flow, and push your blood pressure up. And carrying extra weight? That adds pressure too, by causing your body to hold on to more salt and even affecting a hormone called renin, which plays a big role in blood pressure control. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to Blood Pressure Healthcare for more tips on managing and maintaining healthy blood pressure. Stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.